The premise po of the jury system in the Philippines is between 1 year now. At least alam ko, lahat ng jury ganyan. But because of the effects of the extrajudicial case, natokang policy, doon po naggalangan yung jury na system. Bakit ito din pag-discussion natin. So, siguro dahil doon sa recent decision, with Supreme Court's decision on key evidence access natin, kind of reaffirmed that, okay, kailangan siya ma-stage na. But the whole writing process took about a year.
During the rehearsal, is there a collaboration between the actors? You know, we need to produce sila sa lines.
Ay, oo, yes. So, input sila sa lines. Minsan, hindi ko nahihingi yung input. May input pa rin. No, I wanted nakapakaganda kayo sa
So, regarding the collaboration with my co-actors, that's what I really love about this. And it's that, what we do kasi, for example, we do have our individual journeys on how to really get to know our characters more. But, of course, there will be a lot of questions. Paano ko nag-galing dito? Paano ako bumugit dito? Or, would I need to ask my co-actor, anong journey mo so that we could so that yung flow ng magiging story natin mas mabuo. So, yun yung naging journey namin. So, ang journey ay nagsimula sa isa, but nag-progress siya para mas maging buo by asking each other, collaborating with each other, knowing anong journey mo, paano ka napunta dyan. So that we really connect with each other.
And you will also realize that there are so many options open for an actor. You make choices, and then parami pala yung mga choices. Do I deliver this line with this intention or this? And that's part of the collaboration. It happens during the rehearsal process.
We also tried a lot of different versions.
Yeah.
Yes. How to deliver the lines. Like every run is different. Some works, some doesn't. Until we found the balance of it.
May improvise.